Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining me back. I do apologize. I have been gone for a while. I haven't uploaded. I've been having a lot going on in my personal life, which has been preventing me from uploading. But I am looking to get things back on schedule for you guys. So as you saw by the title, we're going to be doing some box braids on Nyla's hair using the rubber band method. Right now, I'm going in and I'm moisturizing her hair with the pink oil moisturizer. Her hair is freshly washed, shampooed, deep conditioned, all that good stuff. And then I also moisturize her hair after I did the deep condition, but because the braids are going to be in it, it's going to be up for quite some time, I am using additional moisturizer, which is the pink oil moisturizer. The pink oil moisturizer, I do like it for the shine. However, with it, if it's just a good moisturizer in general, I would say no. But it does work for the shine. I do like the shine that it gives, especially with braiding, so I use it. Now, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going in and I'm pre-sectioning her hair. So right now I'm just applying additional pink oil moisturizer, and it also helps smooth out the hair really well for when you are braiding too. And it's easy to manage and detangle. So I'm using just some regular rubber bands, some Shine and Jam, and then I'm going to use this Shea Castor Oil on her hair, as well as this Brutal Nectar. So I'm just applying that to her hair all over, and I'm just going to pre-part her hair before I start the braiding process. Okay, so to do the rubber band method, I'm going to take the the Kanekalon braiding hair, and I'm going to pull it through the crochet hook, and then I'm going to pull it directly through under the rubber band. So as you can see right here, I'm just putting the crochet, I'm sorry, not the crochet, the braiding hair on the crochet hook, pulling it through. And you don't want to make the rubber bands too tight to where it hurts them when you pull the hair through. It needs to be loose enough so you can pull it directly through, because you're going to tighten it up again. So what I'm doing now is I'm checking both end pieces and making sure it's even. And I'm going to flip that section over, and I'm going to pull her hair tight to tighten up that rubber band, and then I'm going to section her hair off into 3 pieces. This method is great if you have trouble with gripping and if you're not the best braider. So that's why the rubber band method is great for you. But just separate the hair into 3 pieces, and then you're going to do the same thing for the braiding hair. You're going to separate that braiding hair at the bottom into 3 pieces, and then you're going to separate the braiding hair at the top also into 3 pieces, and then you can start your braid from there. And this portion is going to be in real time so you guys can be able to see it, and then I'll speed it up for you. Okay, so now that we are done with the braiding, I'm just going to go in, gel her edges. You already know we got to get them baby hairs laid, okay? So once I gel down the edges, I'm then going to tie her hair up, and I'm going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. I'm going to dip it in some hot water. Nyla, she's starting to feel herself a little bit, but that's all right. You cute, boo. You cute. So I'm going to tie her hair up to lay down her edges. And again, I use the Spectra braiding hair. And I'm going to just dip the ends in hot water. Do not bring the hot water all the way up, because you will burn off your client's hair. It is so important to know where their rear hair ends, so that you don't burn off their hair and you're literally just dipping the tips. Since her hair is long, I can't bring it all the way down. So that's the hair mousse that I'm using. I got that mousse from, I believe, Walmart. It was about $2 to $3. And then after that, I'm going to spray it with some bronzers. I believe it's their Braid Shine. And I'm going to spray it with some spritz and then tie it down with a do-rag. Voila, you know, good day, ma'am. We are done, honey. But as usual, just keep watching so you guys can see the finished product. I thank you guys so much again for all of the love and support. Thank you for joining me back. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hurry up, okay? Hurry up. And also, don't forget to follow me on IG at Brittbratstyles. But you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.